this video, I'm going to tell you how to install Scratch add-ons in extension on Chrome. So as you can see by add-ons, it is very customizable. Like here, see it's dark over here, etc. So let's get started. So let's open a new tab and search over there Scratch add-ons Chrome, and then we'll go to this chrome.google.com first link. Click it over here. So as you can, let me show. Here you can see how to, when you install, you can customize all this. This is the main window. Let me show you. Install this, and you will install the Scratch add-ons. So then you'll go to this extensions and then this Scratch add-ons. When you click, a small window will appear over here. Okay, let's see. So yeah, as you can see over here, messaging. So you can see messages that are on your ID on Scratch, on games. You can say the games you have favorited or the Scratch blocks. Here there are main settings a little bit. So when you click over here, this settings, click over here, then new tab will open over here like this. So these are some you can customize with: block switching, looks. You can change also the color over here of the block. So if you choose dark, you can choose dark. It's very interesting default, and you can, I think, customize also. Now you cannot customize. Okay, color the background, color black background. Code area room, maximum zoom speed 50 to 500. Let me switch it to a little bit. Till 1. Let's see. Okay, code area. So let's click on create. I'll give the link in description of this Scratch add-ons. So as you can see, maximum zoom. Okay, let me see it over here. What can we do? Oh, this. I have a Scratch add-on, so when I put this on full screen, it will go on full screen the whole Chrome. Okay, so it will create like this is one clone only generated. Okay, one I will like over here, repeat 10 times. Okay, so there you go. Let's delete it. Oh, okay, let's see over here. for minimum and maximum speed start size of the zoom script. Oh, this is maximum zoom of the script area. Okay, let me put it to 100 again. Okay, zoom speed, minimum zoom. Minimum zoom will be, let me decrease a little bit till 90. Okay. Start zoom, auto hide zoom control. So developer tools adds a find box and new menu options to the editor. Copy paste blocks, better cleanup, go to custom block. So I have a cleanup block. So as you can see over here, blocks like this, move this, forever loop, one flag leg, when I receive message one, forever if operators like this. So when you click the background, so here is cleanup blocks plus. When you click it, it will be arranged in an order. Okay, let me click a block. So there's duplicate option. Duplicate, add comment, delete block, copy all, and make space. Make space will make a space around the block. Okay. This is very nice. Okay. So let us go back. Do not automatically run. We are duplicating a block and attaching to it script causes this. So oopsie. So when you will duplicate a block, if we duplicate this, so but start then I'll duplicate it. Firstly, let me put there is a bug. There is a bug that duplicate script with Alt key. This is very interesting. You can duplicate the script with the Alt key. So when you click over here, when I click Alt, how do I copy it? Duplicate it like this. Alt plus click. There you go. This is scratch add-ons. So you can use themes also. Let's go to themes. So for website dark mode, page background, gray background, plain color orange. This. So this is where this scratch add-ons is very interesting. You can install it from here. I will give link in the description. So there is like, let me show you one more thing. So there is scratch 2 through scratch 3. Make scratch 2 style pages look like scratch 3. So if you go to okay, let me go to home and your profile or your profile. Okay, so when you go to your profile, So this is scratch add-ons, add banners. This is also scratch add-on. So you can add anything. Say page coders algorithm. Okay. Very. So this is also scratch. This also is a scratch add-on. I added with scratch add-on. So work in progress. So if I click over here, change featured project, switch it to featured project, coin collecting game. Okay, I'll make a video on it. I had made a video on it. Okay, so let's go back. I was showing you that here is scratch 3. So if you turn this off, it is refreshing. So see, it's now scratch 2. See at the top. See, and when I turn it on, it is now scratch 3. This is very interesting, nice. So let's go profile statistics. So that was the scratch. Okay. Themes, you can choose themes as I have showed. Project bases, turbo warp button, profile statistics should show exact account. Interesting forums, 3.0 scratch blocks and forums. So this is very interesting. Scratch it on, please install it. It's very helpful too. So that's all for it today, guys. Hope you enjoy. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe and good. Bye.